how to get the iPhone out of SOS mode. If your device is unresponsive and is stuck in this displaying the SOS message, then a standard forced restart is required to reset the hardware connection. So here's how you would do it. You would require to use the volume up, volume down and the large sidebar button. So here's the step 1. Quickly press and immediately release the volume up button and do not hold it. Step 2. Now without pausing, you need to quickly press the volume down button and release it just like you did it for the volume up. So step 3, you need to press and hold the sidebar button. You need not to release it regardless of what is shown on the screen, because you would see this slide to power off message on the screen. You need to just ignore it and keep the sidebar button pressed. Hold it until the screen goes completely black. So once the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears, you can now release the sidebar button, because now the device has started to reboot. And once your screen will come back, you will have most probably you will be out of the SOS mode. This method is completely safe. Your no data is lost. Your photo apps are not deleted during this restart. The sequence relies on rhythm. So if the first attempt fails, try again with the faster button presses.